Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing MEL Kids. This is a monthly STEM subscription box for children from MEL Science. If you are new to my channel, I reviewed MEL Science quite a few years ago. It's an amazing STEM subscription box that's for older kids. So this is for ages 5 to 9. So it covers the younger crowd. But they do also, if you remember, maybe not, they have an AR aspect or an augmented reality aspect to the boxes. So there is a free class that comes along with the box. Boxes are $34.90 monthly plus tax. The shipping is free. So this is, it says here, MEL Kids, says 5+, says Jungle Jack. I don't know what that means. I don't really know what's in here yet. I am going to put my affiliate link down below to them and any coupon codes I can find for you guys. I'm also, though, going to link to my full review because I will do this with the kids. We did MEL Science. I did that with Penny, my 13-year-old. At the time, I think she was 11 or 12. And we had a lot of fun. It was a chemistry, and it came with all of these cool tools, which she still uses now. So this, I'm not sure exactly how this is going to work, but because it's for younger kids, I'm guessing it's going to be a little less involved. But they are really cool. They're very what is the word I want to use? They really go in depth with the kids, in my experience. All right, so anyway, we're gonna unbox this, and then all the magic is gonna happen on my blog. So if you're interested in that, you have to check it out. I left this sleeve on because I thought it was super cute, but then you open it up and all the mail boxes have this kind of binary cube thing going on. And then you open it up, and it has, you know, this, I think this is what we're gonna be building. It says Science Journey right on the top, and there is a booklet. So in here, oh, it's a comic. So it's a comic book, and I'm gonna guess it has something to do with what we're doing. Your science journey begins. In each box, you'll find everything you need to have fun and explore. There's a building set, achievement sticker, educational comics, and an AR card. So there's that, and then the back says to be continued. So I'm guessing they move along every month. Ever since I lost a bunch of weight, and like, not a bunch, but enough that mediums are now like too big. It's just falling off my shoulder. All right, so then we have this book that says Jungle Jack. List of components. So this is what we're going to be building. It looks like a hydraulic jack, to be honest. That's what it is. It is a jack. So that's why it's called Jungle Jack. Haha, I put all the pieces together in my head. All right, so here's our comic. I'm impressed with myself. That's pretty smart of me. Anyway, so here it shows you like a little blueprint, and then it's a step-by-step, put it together. Obviously, I'm not gonna do this on the video because that's quite monotonous, but then they pick up the comic at the end there. So that's kind of cool. All right, so there's that. And then we have another booklet in here. It says Mystery Planet Map. Oh no, this is an actual map. Oh, cool. So, oh, it's like you have to find, so there's a list of images down here that you have to find, like a hidden picture in there. Fun. And then we have our items that we're going to have to build. So here's our achievement sticker, like they said. Oh, no, there's an app. And so you scan that. Here's our achievement sticker. Here are our things. Part of our, I don't know what they're called. All right, guys? All right, and then we have boxes with our items, and I'm guessing there's going to be little bits and pieces, which I don't want to open up on camera. There are 2 of them, though, and so that's going to have everything that you need to build this. What I'm going to try to remember to do is to insert some images at the end of this video of the completed jack so that you can see it all put together. I think it's going to be super fun. I'm excited because now we're in summer, and while my school does offer what they call a connections program, where kids can kind of keep refreshed over the summer, there isn't a whole lot other learning going on. So this keeps us all active and learning and having fun, but you know, nothing too crazy, right? All right, so if you're interested in checking that out, I will link down below. I'll also link to MEL Science, of course, so you can check them out too. And I'll put some pictures right here. Go. Oh my gosh, so cool.